Welcome to What the Fun English. I'm Becky.
And I'm Josh. Today we look at the routine of a mother who wakes up at 6 in the morning. That feels very early to me.
And she doesn't choose 6. Her daughter wakes her up. A small 6-year-old with very big morning energy.
That explains a lot. And the older child?
A teenager, 15.
So one small child, one big one, and one mother in the middle.
Exactly. And after she wakes up, there's no slow moment. She goes straight to breakfast. She makes scrambled eggs, quick ones, because both kids are hungry.
2 different ages, same hunger level.
Oh, yeah. And here's a small part of her morning, in her own words.
I wake up early because my daughter wakes me up. I make breakfast quickly, and I drink my coffee standing up. My morning is busy, but I try to stay calm. It's a lot, but this is my routine every day.
Coffee standing up is the international symbol of a busy day.
It really is. And after breakfast, she gets the kids ready for school.
With a 6-year-old and a 15-year-old, I imagine that takes some time.
Definitely. And then she takes them to 2 different schools. Kindergarten first, then high school.
Opposite directions?
Opposite directions.
I see. So she drives a small morning tour of the city.
Exactly. And sometimes there is traffic. She says she waits in the car for 10 minutes.
10 minutes of just waiting. Not relaxing, just waiting.
Yes, and that is the end of her morning. So when her afternoon begins, the house is quiet, but still very active for her.
Is this the calm part of the day?
Calm, maybe, but not slow. Her afternoon is full of small tasks. She cleans the kitchen, she does laundry, and she buys groceries when she needs them.
Groceries, that means simple food for the house, right? Milk, bread, fruit, maybe something sweet for later.
Yes, exactly. She finishes the morning rush and then she moves into the afternoon tasks.
And the break, does she ever stop?
She tries to take a short break.
Tries usually means not really.
Right. She says there's always something to do, and she explains it very clearly here. Simple words, simple actions. Let's listen to her.
In the afternoon, I clean the kitchen, I do laundry, and I buy groceries for the family. I try to take a short break, but sometimes I cannot. There's always something I need to finish. Like in the evening, I cook dinner and I help my kids with their homework. After that, I relax for a short moment. Just a moment, but it feels good. This is my day every day.
She explains it so simply, but her day is full. I can almost see the whole afternoon, the cleaning, the laundry.
The small break that almost happens.
Yeah.
And after the afternoon, her evening begins. Evenings have their own rhythm in her house.
Dinner time?
Yes. She cooks dinner for the family, something simple but warm. Then she helps her children with homework.
Homework after a full day, that is dedication.
And after homework, she finally relaxes. Just a short moment before bed.
A very short moment, but she deserves it. I feel tired just hearing about her routine.
Imagine living it.
I prefer waking up late. I think that helps me stay healthy.
It helps you stay something. But yes, her day is long and she handles everything with patience.
A lot of patience. Now that you know her routine, morning, afternoon, evening, you can try talking about your own. Start simple. I wake up, I make breakfast, I go to work, I relax in the evening. Just 1 or 2 sentences. Write your routine in the comments. We love reading them.
Exactly. And keep listening to What the Fun English for more real routines and simple English.
Especially if you wake up late like me.
See you next time.